Hello! So in this Meditate Anywhere video, we're going to work with visualization and how visualization can really deepen your meditation. And I don't know what you think of meditation, but I know a lot of people often think meditation is sitting in silence, it's not moving, it's just keeping still. And that is really quite far from the truth, because meditation can be silent and it can be still, the classic pose which you see in all the posters. But meditation can also be a dance, it can be movement, it can be dynamic where you use the breath, use the voice, singing even, with mantras. So there's a lot of aspects to meditation, and one way in which meditation can also be deepened is through visualization and using kind of memories to trigger reactions in the body. So if you think in the same way, if you imagine a meal, you can also already just start imagining, as you imagine that meal, your mouth starts to salivate, you can even kind of grow hungry. In the same way, if you imagine maybe a romantic scenario, you might also start to get certain bodily reactions just from that imaginative process. So you can see there's a very, very direct connection between the mind, our imagination, and how the body responds. And when we focus that in meditation, it can really kind of go quite deep, and we can start to unlock emotions, unlock buried memories or ideas, realizations that are just on the verge of our consciousness, and we allow them to kind of come through. So really that's the focus of the visualization, to visualize, to imagine a scenario, imagine a moment, imagine an experience, which we can connect to the past, drawing on memories and experiences to create a new kind of future, even a new way of being now, so that the future can go in a new direction. And so it's not just sitting in silence. Meditation is not that. So wherever you are, this is Meditate Anywhere. I'm here actually meditating on a Coke bottle, improvising, making it work wherever I am. So wherever you are, if you're sitting on a Coke bottle, if you're on a pillow, if you're on a cushion, whatever your surroundings might be, this is what we work with. So it's never, we're not fighting what's around us, we're not seeking perfection. It might be messy, there might be traffic noises, it's okay. Because if we're always trying to create the perfect scenario, it just never happens. So wherever you are, if you're on the bus, train, going home, or somewhere quiet, just find a comfortable place now. And we'll do a little short meditation where we work with visualization, with memory, to see if we can unlock something and open a new doorway for new experience, or whatever that may be. So bring your attention to your breath. This simple anchor, the breath which is always there, always coming, always going, to ground you into your body. Just take 3 deep breaths. As you make this last exhale, just allow your shoulders, allow your arms to become a little heavier. Just really allow your arms to rest heavily. Allow your spine to become a little longer. Maybe imagine a little hook connected to the very top of your head. And as you dangle from this hook, your spine becomes a little straighter. So already we have a very simple image there of the hook So how does that feel? It's dangling from this hook. Just imagining your spine becoming a little straighter. Gap between each vertebra expanding a little. Taking the pressure off your nerves. Just allow your arms to be heavy and your hands to be loose. Wherever you are right now, just bring to mind a childhood memory, a beautiful memory. Just go with whatever comes to you first. It could be something very classic, like being on a beach, playing in a field. Or it could be reading a book, alone in your room. But don't try to select a memory. Just allow a memory to come to you. And try to really see yourself, see this space, and just see which sense is stronger for you. Maybe there's a smell of home cooking, or cooked grass. Maybe you can hear something. So allow your imagination to expand, to really take root here now. As you imagine this memory coming back to you. And if there's no clear memory, that's okay. Just allow a sense of your heart opening. Allow warmth to take root in your heart. This warmth isn't something that you need to push or make happen. You just invite it. You allow it. Allow the memory, this childhood memory, to grow a little deeper. Let's go deeper into this memory. Allowing the world around you just to be. How are you feeling right now? Feeling joy? Feeling excited? Loved or loving? Whatever you're feeling, allow that feeling to take root around your heart and really to begin to grow. Like a light. Just imagine a light now in your heart. You might see this light as a light bulb, or a bonfire, or a candle. Whichever image works best for you. As long as you feel it, as long as you have a sense of it. Just allow this light, whether it be warm, or burning hot, or literally just light, but allow it to move through your chest, carrying the joy, carrying the feeling of this memory through your body, through your chest, through your throat, up into your skull, into your smile. down through your arms to your hands, so that you can feel this light, this warmth in your hands. So we'll just sit for a few moments now, just basking in this memory and the sight, the sounds, the smells, whatever you connected to. Bringing this memory into your body, into your heart, where it then shines out, glows through your body, to the top of your head, down to the tips of your fingers, and also to your toes. Just really allow yourself to enjoy this moment. Allowing your body to glow. Allowing the world around you to simply be. Without reacting, without chasing, basking in this moment. Just give yourself now just another 30 seconds just to enjoy this feeling as we slowly begin to close this meditation. Whatever the rest of the day holds for you, just allow yourself to be here right now. When you're ready, whatever you want to say out loud or quietly to yourself, just say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this feeling, this memory, whether it be simple or strong. Now slowly begin to move your body, flexing your fingers, you're rotating your shoulders. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Come back to your bedroom, your office, the bus, or wherever you are. So I hope you got a little sense there of just how beautiful it can be to work with your imagination, to visualize a scenario, to play with the past. And it's really a muscle that you can work with, and practicing this more, and there will be more videos on this, you can really get creative. So it's a beautiful way to experiment if there's a project that you have and you want to imagine yourself in that scenario. Imagine possible scenarios, imagine how this could happen, how that could happen, without attachment, kind of stepping back, removing yourself, so not as you would like it to be, but maybe as it might unfold, how things might happen, more creatively, more openly, so we're not controlling. Seeing what our subconscious wants to show us. So a beautiful way of working with this visualization, with the imagination, it's inviting the subconscious, whatever's buried, the memories, the ideas that we didn't realize we had, allowing them to come through. So there'll be many more videos on this. If you've got any requests, any questions, please put them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.